everybody, welcome back to Cooking with James. I'm your host James. Today we're not cooking. We are going to be giving you something that you can use for your cooks. Alright, so I'm pretty sure you've seen the picture of it, but let's go ahead and get right into what we're giving away. Alright, the first thing that we're giving away, it is Oak Ridge. It's the Black Ops. Let's see if we can actually get it without some brisket rub. And this stuff is amazing. This package will last you for a while. You can do at least 3 or more briskets, and I've used chicken and all kinds of different stuff with this, steaks and whatnot, but the Black Ops brisket rub is really good. So that's one thing you're going to be getting. And before we go any further, how you're going to enter the chance to win is first leave where you're from. It could be a city, a state, and this is just for the lower 40 states. Sorry, I can't ship elsewhere, but just the lower 40 states. Wherever you're from, and put a period. So let's say you're from Chicago, a city, a state, whatever, and put a period. All right, next step. Actually, next thing we're giving away is going to be this Heath Riles garlic jalapeno rub. This stuff, I mean, is phenomenal. I don't know if we can. Oh yeah, look at that. I mean, this is just, and this stuff is amazing. I have some other stuff. It's a jalapeno or a hallelujah jalapeno rub, where on that rub you get when you bite into it, if you're using it on meat or whatever, you get jalapeno like right off the bat. You get like a lot of jalapeno and like a little bit of garlic, in the back. This right here, you get a garlicky taste, and then it's more of a jalapeno kind of in the back of your bite. This stuff is really good. And if you have a chance, I'll be leaving a link to all this stuff in the description below if you guys want to buy it as well. But this stuff is really good. So that's the second thing that we are giving away. And so with that being said, also to enter, all you have to do is the city, state, wherever you're from, and a period. And then also after that, just put anything you want. It could be, I like your videos. Well, don't put that, whatever, anyway, or whatever it is, what I'm saying. Anything after that. So the last thing we're giving away is the rib glaze, and this is from Cosmos Q, and I've used it. I'm actually gonna show you. There'll be a video in the iCard where you can check out where I actually use this stuff. This stuff is really good. Not only does it make your ribs look amazing, it gives it the finishing touches on the ribs as well. And check the iCard. There'll also be probably videos at the end or whatever on this stuff, but it was a really great product. Now, it says apple habanero. It wasn't spicy really at all. Very, very, very subtle part of the habanero, but it makes the ribs look good, and it gives it a great finishing taste as well. So that's what we're giving away, and this is the final step. All you got to do is put where you're from, anywhere, city, state, put a period, leave any comment you want, and at the end of the comment, enter what kind of food you like. That's it. If you like brisket or tacos or whatever. So, and the reason why I do this is because I want the subscribers and people that actually watch my channel and stuff to get a chance to win. Some people watch these videos and they go in and they fast forward to the end of the video and they try to find out how to win something, and they never even watched a video in their life or anything like that. But this is going to be awesome. That is how you enter to win this. Where you're from, a period, and then any comment you want, and then the food that you like. That's it. So that's the giveaway, guys. So just a rerun real quick. The brisket rub, and this stuff is awesome and amazing on everything. The Black Ops, and this stuff is way more. It's really fine, more than enough to do 3+ briskets for sure. I got actually a big bag of it. Very good. And the heat riles, oh, you are gonna love this. And it's not spicy, it just has that jalapeno flavor with that garlic, actually the garlic up front and the jalapeno in the back. Awesome. And the rib glaze, you definitely want to give this a try as well. So that's the giveaway. And you know, last thing is that to leave the comment, you got to make sure to, you know, you have to have a YouTube channel or a Gmail account to leave a comment. So I know in my last giveaway, some people were like, I can't leave comments and stuff. So you can create one if you want, you know, a Gmail account. It's super simple. It takes like 2-3 minutes if you want to enter. That's that. And also, one more thing is I'm not going to be replying to all of the comments. The reason why is because I'll leave a like or a heart or whatever to let you know that you're entered and you're good to go. But I just want all the replies to be just from you guys. And you know, and that's it, because then I start replying and it starts counting my replies as well. Anyway, that's the giveaway. I hope that you win, and I hope that you try these out. There'll be one lucky winner. All my information will be in the description below. It'll be my email address, jbm.munday@gmail.com. There'll be other ways to get a hold of me as well. So if you do win, click the information or the show more button, and below will be my contact information. You'll have 48 hours to get a hold of me and let me know, and I can send the stuff right out to you. Obviously, I will need your address and stuff like that. But after 48 hours, I will have to come out with another video and, you know, do it all over again. So anyway, that's the giveaway. I hope you win. Great cooks, and don't forget to check, actually in the iCards, there's gonna be some good cooks. So I'm gonna put some barbecue, some Blackstone, some air fryer stuff, all kinds of different stuff cooking. It's summertime. It's time to have fun. So anyway, that's it, and hope you win. Talk to you later.